Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be juicing for our health. Today we're going to be juicing some fruits and vegetables that assist with inflammation. And I'm just going to talk about the properties of each one of these fruits and vegetables. So for kale, which is a green leafy vegetable, it is rich in fiber and sulfur, and it's great for your liver health. And it's also great for supporting your body's natural detoxification process for keeping the liver healthy. It can also help with high blood pressure. For cucumbers is rich in potassium and it helps with kidney function. It's also very hydrating. It may aid in weight loss since it helps lower cholesterol. Celery serves as an anti-inflammatory property. It helps with digestion, heartburn, and weight loss. Apples are high in fiber. It lowers the chance of heart disease and the risk factor of high blood pressure. It improves intestinal health and it combats constipation. Lemons are beneficial in the fact that lemons help with controlling your weight. It improves your digestive health. It prevents kidney stone and protects against anemia and support heart health. And last but not least, ginger. Ginger helps to reduce cholesterol. It aids in digestion and reduces nausea. It helps in fighting colds and the common flu. After this, we're going to be juicing all of these fruits and vegetables for a very delicious, hydrating, nutritious drink. Enjoy. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please subscribe for more content. See you again next time.